Good morning, my name's Maura. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I've never tried to make one of these before, so we'll see how it goes. My channel will be about a few things. The main thing is wanting to live in a motorhome full-time to travel. And we sold our house exactly a year ago to do that. But after a couple of months of traveling, realised we needed a base. We need somewhere to relax, to register at the doctors, and we just needed an address as well. So now we've bought a flat. It's old, needs doing up and everything, but me and my husband have been doing up houses for the last 25 years. We've also bought a new motorhome. We've just exchanged ours, and hopefully we'll be going travelling in the next 2 weeks. I'd like to document some of these adventures that were going on, and also document what it's like to be 55 and trying to make a YouTube channel, if it's so difficult or easy, I don't know. I'd love you to subscribe, follow along, see how we get on, and I'll start showing you what we're up to. Thanks.